Alright, so in this video I'll be showing you where to locate your A plus content. You first of all come to marketing. Alright, so first of all come to marketing. So when you click on marketing, you come over here. You see why they write A plus content. You come here, you choose then you say manage A plus content. Alright, you come to manage A plus content. Yeah, if you have time you can follow this and read these guidelines, but I don't want to waste time. I've read it some time ago. Alright, so actually this is how A plus content look like. I'm coming. I want to create another tab. Okay, so let me just show you, because we don't have time to design it here. Maybe if you pay for my one-on-one coaching, yeah, I'll teach you how to do that, but I'll show you how it looks like and how to upload it. So it's loading. Alright, so this is what it's going to show you. I actually forgot. I could have searched for I could have copied. So what you do is, on your bookshelf, your books, you just copy the ISN number, or name the book, or name or product name. I can't even remember the name of the book that is live on this account, but you copy it and then you paste it here and then you search. Alright, so actually this, I don't even know where I got this BSN number. So actually that's how you do. Content generation is available for AI already models. Use our Gene AI feature to help with text and image generation. Click. So this one is something I've never seen here before, so it's something new. I think they have brought AI. You can now design your A plus content with it, which I've never tried. Yeah, so what I know is the content name, you put it here. Yeah, English. So let's say Maldives travel guide. So I don't know why. Okay. The reason why this thing is over here is because it didn't even let me just try and copy this thing first. So let's say you copy the ISN bin number for this book, Explore Chill 2025. We have to go back again, marketing, and then we'll go to A plus content. Sorry, sorry. Actually, I thought it was network. So you come over here, you come to A plus content, you come here, you choose, as we said, you go here, right. The network is not as strong as we expect it to be. Alright, so as we have copied it, we paste here, and then you create, okay. Uh, so click on next. As you can see, you create here, we paste it again. It will fetch the book for us. Yeah, you search for the book itself. I don't know why you keep putting it. I wanted to bring the book first. Actually improve the stuff now. So search for, I'm searching now. It's not even giving me what I want to. That's my problem with this thing. Later now it will be network. Ah, um, actually this A plus content is not actually for beginners, so it's not actually for beginners. I just wanted to do it as a bonus on the bonus session so that it will not be, I don't know, it's still giving me tough time. Right, so let's you see, you must apply at least one. I've applied now, didn't I? Applied. You have, that's my problem with this thing. I'm putting it, it's not showing. What do you want? See it now. I'm trying to find, it's not finding. What do you want me to do? It's not finding. So I think what I'm going to do is, this is how actually you actually put it here. I don't know, I'll actually figure out how to go about it and then record another video again and then put it for you around it. But this is not something to bother about as a beginner. Don't even bother about it. It's not your business. All right, I just wanted adding it should in case somebody, maybe you are now making sales and all that, for somebody that is starting KDP. No. This, it took me almost 2 years doing KDP, making over $500 without even knowing this thing. I know it's something like that, but I've never bothered about it. Making $500 monthly. I don't mean like yeah, over. Let me not limit. I'm just giving an average. So I forgot I made over $5,000 from KDP without using A plus content. Okay, so it's not something to bother about. So, but I'll try my best. If I am not able to include it on the course because I have a deadline for before launching this course, I'll definitely do a video on my YouTube channel where I'll talk about how to do your A plus content properly. Alright. Yeah, by the time I could have studied all these their updates that they have done that is making it look somehow. So thank you for watching. Thank you very much for staying here.